Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Cook with Cookie. In today's video, I am going to show you the simple and easiest version of Bombay Chutney. Mostly it will be useful for bachelors and also working women who are in a hurry in the morning and they want to prepare breakfast. They can follow this video till the end. So first of all, take a pan and add 3 tablespoons of oil and add cumin, mustard seeds, and a pinch of ginger chopped and 6 garlic pods. Now allow them to fry. Now the main ingredient for Bombay chutney is the curry leaves. It adds flavor as well as taste to this Bombay chutney, so don't skip this. So after adding curry leaves to that, allow them to splutter for a while and then add one medium sized largely slit onions, green chilies 4 to 5, and one red chili. That will be good. If you want to have a more spicier, you can add chilies more. So after, allow them to fry but not turn them into golden brown. Okay, so there is no need for the onions to turn into golden brown. Add one medium sized chopped tomato and allow them to turn smooth or soft, and then add half a tablespoon of turmeric. Do not add more than that because that dominates the Bombay chutney and you won't get that amazing flavor. Allow the turmeric to cook well with the onions and tomatoes, and then add quarterless 2 large glasses of water and then allow it to boil. Let it come to a nice boil as if you prepare an upma. That boil you need to get it. Meanwhile, add besan into this. I have added 2 tablespoons of besan into the bowl and added water, and you need to make it into a fine paste. See that there are no lumps in this besan. Now after you prepare this besan, you see in the background I have already got a nice boil. I have simmered for a minute and then see it is all ready. Now add salt to taste and then stir it once, and then add, with one hand you need to add the besan and on the other hand you need to stir it continuously, because if you don't stir it there are chances you might form lumps and your chutney won't be proper consistency. So you need to do it both simultaneously. Now put the flame on medium or high and then see the chutney is sticking to the spatula. See, that's not transparent. That is when you need to switch off the stove and serve it hot with idli. Mostly it's good served with idli, if not dosa also. Now you can serve it hot with idli. So simple and easy, right? You just need 5 to 10 minutes and all your Bombay chutney is done. In a hurry burry mornings or evenings, you can prepare this and serve it to your loved ones. I hope you enjoy this video. Please subscribe our channel. Thank you.